this. I was in Burping this morning, all morning.
Yeah.
That one, my friend, that she bought one donut yesterday. But it wasn't donuts like a regular donuts. It was, I don't know what you call that. It was a little different, I like it. I wasn't too crazy for it.
Yeah.
I don't eat it yesterday. Stupid me. I ate it today, this morning.
Yeah.
I think it wasn't that.
Yeah, because they're greasy.
It was a little different than donuts. I don't know. Was it?
Maybe it was like a pastry. Was it like a pastry?
Maybe. I don't know. It was wrong. I don't know. And then I ate it that. I was working. Then I ate it downstairs. I said, I'm going to eat it there today. Shrimp. Chowder.
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 Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't think I like that. I don't want that stuff. So I said, I think I'll go. First I said I'll go, then I said I'll go. I said I'll get a couple of fried eggs.
Oh, yeah.
And she was told you could have a corn. The other. So I said I could have a corn with my eggs, and she said yeah. And I got a baked potato. And the salad. But she told me the other day, I should keep away, because I told her I'm burping all the time.
Yeah.
She says I should keep away from tomatoes and salad dress. He said maybe the salad, put the salad dress.
What was the donut you said you ate?
But today I ate it there, I said. But the donut I ate it first. Then I went down and eat.
But the donut made you burp, you said.
Yeah. And I thought maybe I would stop it when I eat it, because sometimes once I eat it, I stop a little.
Yeah.
I stop.
Yeah.
Then all afternoon, I was burping.
Hang on. Last time you told me you burped when you had the Danish that Cindy brings you.
Yeah, but the Danish I never had it.
I understand, but last time the Danish made you burp. You can't have that junk, fried
Maybe I
donuts
can't.
and stuff.
Maybe I can't. So I had it all afternoon. Then I said, well, maybe I'll go down tonight. Tonight they would have a fish and the put sandwich, like a sandwich fish. It's some in the ring. But then he called me for the pizza, and I go down. I don't even know what I said. I'm going to be bothered. I was still a burp. I stopped a burp when I ate the pizza.
Oh.
Sometime maybe after I eat some.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't figure it out too much.
Right.
But now, she bringing me that